In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully go about troubleshooting and resolving if your HDR is not supported on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. While there are the situations where your device just does not support HDR, so if your graphics card just is not capable of supporting it, that's certainly a possibility. Now you can check into other issues here that could be causing this problem. And the first thing I recommend doing would be just to right click on the desktop and select display settings. You want to select where it says HDR near the top of the page here. And then I recommend turning it to the on position or turning it on underneath display capabilities and then set it for whatever display you're having the problem with. In my case, you can see it's not supported, meaning it just does not support on my device. It's not compatible. And there's really nothing you can do about it at that point. But that's just one thing you can take a look at. Something else you can try here as well, again, was with the cords. Make sure you're using an HDMI 2.0 or 2.1 or DisplayPort 1.4 or greater. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.